Oh my goodness. All of my robots, oh my goodness, they're stuck in one spot. Well, I can use AWS RoboRunner to orchestrate this robot from afar, but I'm standing right here and the robots all need to move. I'll start with the Boston Dynamics robot. And I have a handy pair of Magic Leap 2 headsets that I'm going to put on. And using the Magic Leap headset, I can control the spot just by logging in. Magic Leap record.
Down and up or backwards, we'll fix that in a minute. But you can see here, I'm able to use the Magic Leap to control the spot directly using a server that's connected to AWS and sending all the AWS goodness back and forth. And I'm able to do stationary movements in the lock position mode. If I unlock it, then I'm able to move the spot around freely. And more cool than that, I'm able to see all the cameras, so I don't even need to be in the immediate location of the spot to control it. So if I wanted to look over to my left, you can see here, I can just keep kind of moving to my left. I don't want you to see my junky California room, but there you go, good view of Yoda, or actually that is a good view of a robot over there. It's on the left camera. I'm looking up in this camera. Here I'm looking at the Roomba. And the back side of me, you can see my feet. And I'm kind of dancing in real time here. So you can see me kind of rolling around. And you can't see them both at the same time, but at least you can see the view between both of these devices. I can power off the robot, check its Wi-Fi, check its status. It's sending me the full status, the average temperature, serial number, battery. I'm going to add in the battery percentage here and some other details as well as we're going along. And yeah, so that's the entirety of the movement. Here are some of the actions. If I enter my password, now everybody in the world's going to know what the password is, but I'll change it. Then I'm able to log in and go to the actual driving mode. So then we start with a marker, RG marker, when we start tracking, and then now we're able to move the robot freely throughout the system. I'm going to keep it still, got a lot of things going on here, but that's the majority of the interaction. Thank you. And now we're going to sit the spot down and turn it off, which is its magic trick. Pretty soon we'll be able to say spot lay down, and it'll lay down, but right now I'm going to tell it to lay down. Now let's see if it kills my Roomba. Didn't kill the Roomba. Excellent. Night, night.
So I can log into all of my robots and all of my devices using the Magic Leap 2. And you hear the robot starting up just using the Magic Leap 2. I can use my hands and I see a quick menu in front of me. Otherwise, I can just, and as a matter of fact, I'll make it stand by just touching stand. And now you can see the robot standing. I can make it look left, look right. And this whole time I'm able to see what the camera sees in the view. It's in stationary mode because we're obviously in a confined space, but I can use spatial anchor to move the entire spot out of this location into an entirely different location. And that's how we can use the Magic Leap 2, Boston Dynamics Spot, and AWS to control a big system or a small system localized. This can all be running locally on green grass using SageMaker and SiteWise. Thank you.